Are you ready to tap into a limitless wellspring of insight and understanding? Imagine a life where every decision is guided, every challenge overcome, and every endeavor crowned with success. This isn't just a dream, it's a divine promise waiting for you. Wisdom and knowledge are not mere academic concepts. They are vital for every human being. Proverbs 4:7 declares, "Wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore get wisdom, and with all thy getting get understanding." True wisdom is the correct application of knowledge, transforming information into impactful action. Without it, even vast knowledge can be useless. Hosea 4:6 warns, "My people are destroyed for lack of knowledge." This powerful scripture underscores how crucial wisdom and knowledge are for navigating life successfully and avoiding pitfalls. So, how can you acquire this invaluable wisdom and knowledge? The answer is profound, yet simple. Identify its ultimate source. Daniel 2:20 reveals that wisdom and might belong to God. He is the giver of all true understanding. James 1:5 confirms this, stating that God generously gives wisdom to all who ask. Colossians 2:3 further emphasizes that in him are hidden all the treasures of wisdom and knowledge. God is the only wise God, the infinite wellspring of all truth. During my postgraduate studies, my supervisor gave me a challenging assignment before traveling. Upon his return, he was astonished by my progress. He asked, "Enoch, I know you're a Christian. Who helped you?" He couldn't fathom such rapid advancement. Knowing he was Hindu, I simply said, "Professor Emmanuel helped me." He then asked, "Professor Emmanuel? Of which department?" This moment highlighted a profound truth. While human professors are limited, God knows every academic subject and every secret of the universe. The best human experts are limited to a few disciplines. However, when you partner with God, the ultimate professor, He grants you access to unusual depths of wisdom and knowledge. This divine insight will empower you to live an excellent, purpose-driven life. His wisdom transcends all earthly understanding, providing stability and strength for your times. The fear of the Lord truly is His treasure, unlocking unparalleled guidance. Don't settle for limited human understanding. Embrace God as your ultimate source of wisdom and knowledge. Pray, study His Word, and seek His guidance daily. If this message resonated with you, please subscribe, comment, share, and like this video. Let's spread the truth that God is the source of all wisdom. Click the link in our bio for more devotional messages and step into your destiny of divine excellence. This was put together by Dr. Prince Emmanuel Benson, aka MOG. For more devotional messages, click on the link on my bio.